Welcome to the Orca Boat Shop. My name is Rod. I'm starting a new series on restoring an old canoe that I've had in my possession for probably, 15 years. It's been hanging in the rafters. I picked up this boat from a customer who, when I went to do a quote on it to determine what it would cost to restore it for him, he kind of balked at that amount. When I asked him what his plans were, if he wasn't going to restore it, he kind of said, well, I have no use for it. He probably was going to end up disposing of it, taking it to the dump, and I said, please don't do that. I offered him, I think I remember a couple $100 for it, and brought it home, and now I have some time to work on it. So let's get to looking at this one. It's going to take a bit of work. It's all been, was this paint inside here? Or one of those paint stained things from your local hardware store. The exterior is painted. There is no canvas on this boat. This boat originally would have probably been bright work, maybe painted, I'm not sure. But I'm going to see if I can get it back to that. The interesting thing about this with no canvas is this is what we call shiplap. It might be a little bit hard to see in the pictures here or in the camera here, but you'll see how these kind of overlap with a little dado there, a little notch there, and then they lap, and when they're riveted together to the ribs, just like many small wooden boats, this is intended, or big boats as well, this is intended to swell up and become watertight. Now, is this ever going to become watertight again? I probably doubt it. I think my plan is to disassemble and then clean it up, make it look pretty, and then probably put it on the market as a display unit. So let's start taking this apart. A lot of the screws seem to be brass. Hopefully they're going to come out fairly regularly, fairly easy. Then we'll get on to fixing what needs to be fixed and stripping all this paint. That's going to be the hard part. And with that, there's a bit of work ahead of me on restoring this one, so hopefully you're going to follow along on this series. It shouldn't be a long series because a lot of it is going to be paint stripping and varnishing and then just a simple reassemble. So thank you very much for watching. Hey, and if you're interested in this, give me a thumbs up and become a subscriber to continue following along. See you next time.